So Jan, tell us about the VA loans now. I hear you love them.
I love VA loans. I absolutely love VA loans. If I could do a VA loan on every single client, I would love that. It's a hands down the best loan because you can get 100% financing with no mortgage insurance. Typically, on any loan, if you don't put down 20%, you're gonna have mortgage insurance. So veterans can get into a home with 100% financing and no mortgage insurance, which saves $100, maybe $200, maybe even $300 a month on their payment, on their monthly payment.
And so people who've served
Yeah.
and they have a honorable discharge
That's correct.
are
Yep.
all entitled to that VA loan.
Correct. All you have to do is give us your DD 214 and we can pull up your entitlement and you can be eligible for a VA loan. It's hands down a phenomenal product.
So because I work in the Bay Area a lot, can VA work there?
Absolutely. VA can work anywhere. So it's the loan limits that we need to really have applied. So in most areas, it's 766, 550. You can exceed that if you have more of a down payment with the VA. So loan limits are flexible on that, but you really need to get pre-qualified and call us in order for us to talk about the details of that. But
What's that number again?
loan amount, 766,
Wow.
550.
You buy a lot of house for that.
If you're thinking about writing a contract or going into buying a home using a VA loan, please talk to your realtor, Tim Yee, or call me, Jen Davis, and we can talk to you about those items.
Okay. So no more VA funding fee. That's the thing.
Well, you have a VA funding fee if you're not exempt from the funding fee, but a lot of people are exempt, and that's on your DD 214, whether you're exempt. And when we pull your entitlement, it also says it. So that actually, if you're exempt from the funding fee, you can save thousands of dollars on your loan.
Wow.
Yeah. So that's, I mean, if you're a veteran and you want to buy a home, please call us because we can get you pre-qualified. He can find you a home, and it will be the best thing you've ever done.
And so, is that it doesn't matter when you serve? World War II, Vietnam,
Does
Korea.
not matter. Nope. And you can reuse
Iraq,
your VA.
Iran.
Nope. You can use if you haven't owned a home before, you can apply for your VA loan benefit, and if you have owned a home using your VA benefit, you can apply again. So.
Oh wow! Does the first loan have to be paid off as a VA?
That's correct. Yes.
Okay.
Yep.
But you can get another one.
You can get another
I
one.
bet you a lot of people don't know that.
Yep, you can use it over and over. And I have done in some situations where they're leaving this area, California, they're getting deployed somewhere else, and they've gotten a VA loan on another home, maybe like on the East Coast until this one has been sold. That's a very tricky thing to do. So if you are in that situation, again, please call us because we can walk you through that. Most lenders will tell you that it has to be closed, the first VA loan has to be closed, but that's not necessarily true.
Okay. Wow. That is some great information. So vets, if you haven't bought a house yet, you worked for it, you served, you put your life on the line for us, you need to buy a house, we're going to help you do that.
And here's the other thing that I didn't mention that we didn't talk about is when you get a VA loan, when you use it for a purchase, you can do a streamlined VA loan for a refinance. So if you have, let's just say, a 6% on your loan when you buy the house, you can do a streamlined refinance, which means that you don't have to have an appraisal and you get reduced fees on your loan in order to do a refinance to drop the interest rate. It's a
Wow.
huge benefit.
Wow, that's amazing.
It's
No wonder you
amazing.
love VA loans.
I love VA loans.
So let's talk about the interest rates. Are they the same as a regular interest rate?
They tend to be a little bit lower than other
Lower?
products. Lower. Yeah, they deserve it. They deserve the best deal. So they actually tend to be a little bit lower. Again, no mortgage insurance. I mean, there's all kinds of things on the VA loan that saves money.
Wow.
Yeah, hands down the best loan.
That has changed dramatically since
Yeah.
when I first started selling real estate.
Really, yeah.
Amazing.